This is the Onforu 80-watt LED work light. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the work light itself. Here's a stand for it. It's actually upside down. It goes like that. Rubber feet on it to not mar your surface. The installation guide, as well as a screw for mounting the light to the stand. Okay, there's the light mounted on the stand. You just put the screw in there, the thumb screw like that. On the side are some hex head adjusters that the included hex wrench will fit in, like that. So you can pivot this and then adjust it where you want. Right now it's actually at a perfect tightness, so I can change it to whatever angle I want, just like that. So that'll work well. There's a flip-up handle on top, so you can just take it with you like that. Folds down like that over there. And it has a 10-foot cord on it, so plenty of wire, so you don't need an extension cord with it. Here's the back of the unit. There are two brightness settings, a low and a high, and you can see there's a fan to keep the light cool. On high, this is going to put out 8,000 lumens, and on low, 4,000. So let's give it a shot. So let's go ahead and test this out. The camera's going to adjust for this in just a moment. We'll do low first. You can hear the fan run. It's not very loud at all. And here's high. Absolutely blinding to look at, but let me show you what it can do. So over here you can see that there's really nothing but the window, the daylight coming in from there. And if I turn this on just on low, oh my, that lights up nice and bright. And now we'll go over to high, and it gets much, much brighter. It is insanely bright. I'll show you on the wall here. This is on low, and on high. Really works well, most certainly. This certainly could be a replacement for the old school halogen ones that we used to have and are still around, actually. Problem with those is the bulbs really don't last very long. The LEDs are going to last much, much longer, and as you can see, the color of this is 5000K daylight. So once again, this was the Onforu 80-watt LED work light. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.